Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, where legends of the road meet the future of driving. Today, we take you through one of the most nostalgic revivals in Indian automotive history, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. A name etched into the hearts of millions, the Ambassador has returned with a modern twist, while still honoring its iconic legacy. A heritage that defined Indian roads. First introduced in 1958, the Hindustan Ambassador was once the face of Indian motoring. From politicians to taxi drivers, it served as the nation's go-to car for decades. The 1800 ISZ variant, launched in the late 1990s, was a standout model with an Isuzu-sourced 1.8L engine that brought a new level of performance to the classic silhouette. Fast forward to 2025, and the Ambassador 1800 ISZ is back, not just to relive the past, but to redefine the future. Design, classic shape, contemporary finish. The 2025 Ambassador retains the timeless curves and stately posture of the original, but adds sharper lines, LED headlamps, and a bold chrome grille that gives it a premium stance. The iconic round tail lamps have been reimagined with modern light signatures, while 16-inch alloy wheels complete its confident look. It's a car that instantly connects with older generations while attracting a new wave of fans. Powertrain, a true tribute with modern engineering. Under the hood, the new 1800 ISZ pays homage to its roots with a 1.8L turbocharged petrol engine, refined for modern efficiency and BS6 Phase 2 compliance. Producing 145 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque, the car offers smooth city cruising and solid highway performance. Paired with a 6-speed manual or optional CVT, it delivers a balanced blend of nostalgia and innovation. Interiors, where retro meets tech. Step inside, and you're welcomed by dual-tone upholstery, soft-touch materials, and a minimalist dashboard with retro-inspired dials. But don't be fooled, it's loaded with tech: a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital driver's display, and voice-controlled climate. Rear seat comfort remains top-tier, a signature feature carried over from its legacy. The verdict: a comeback worth celebrating. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ isn't just a car, it's a symbol of heritage, reimagined for a modern India. It caters to nostalgia, but doesn't compromise on comfort, safety, or performance. A perfect blend of legacy and progress, exactly what India's automotive future needs. Stay tuned to Pro Wheelhouse for more stories that drive us forward.